Here's an example of the walking the cat challenge. So when the idea is to move the cat through the maze, so let's take a look at the maze. You're going to be using the up, down, left, and right arrows. The cat is not allowed to touch the wall or to touch the edge of the screen. And the cat needs to get to and touch the planet to get the windscreen. So let's go ahead and move the cat through. Notice a couple things. The cat is pointing in the direction that he is going. Right now, it doesn't look as if he's moving, and you can make the cat appear to be moving the legs if you like. When we get to the end, you can see we've got a bunch of costumes, and you win. Let's do it one more time, and let's see what happens when you run into the wall. So I'm going to start the cat going. Going to run into the wall, the edge, and then I'm going to make the cat go again, and he's going to run into the wall. So notice that each time he does that, he goes back to the starting conditions, and then he can start moving through the maze again. Okay, go to it.